Good afternoon, and welcome back to the Refreshing Point. Today I will be sharing with you a juice that helps fight aging from the inside out. The best antidote for the signs of aging is food, specifically food full of antioxidants and omega-3s, to fight aging from the inside out. It's possible for everyone to slow down the outward signs of aging, improve skin health, prevent health problems, and increase life expectancy, naturally. You can start by making this anti-aging green tea juice and drinking it every morning. Green tea's high content of powerful flavonoid antioxidants, in particular EGCG, which provides numerous potential health benefits, including anti-aging. These antioxidants can pave the way for graceful aging. Drinking green tea with lemon improves the health benefits of the tea. Citrus juice brings out green tea's antioxidants, making them more available for your body to absorb. Catechins, which prefer the acid environment of the stomach, become degraded in the more alkaline conditions of the small and large intestine, where nutrient absorption takes place. Avocados are an anti-aging superfood. These creamy green helpers are full of vitamin E, potassium, antioxidants, and monounsaturated fat. All of these nutrients are vital for anti-aging efforts. Omega-3s are good fats which help to maintain cellular integrity. When carrots are consumed, beta-carotene is converted into vitamin A, which then helps your body make new cells to replace the old ones, especially the cells of your skin, eyes, and bones. Kale is an antioxidant powerhouse, which helps your body to fight the harmful effects of oxidation. Kale is also a good source of iron, calcium, and vitamins A, C, and K. These leaves also have a surprising amount of omega-3 fatty acids, which are repeatedly stressed to be an important component of any anti-aging diet. Ginger slows down the aging process. It contains gingerol, an antioxidant that protects your skin from free radical damage and prevents accelerated collagen degradation. Ginger also helps your cells get more oxygen, which is like giving your skin a breath of fresh air for a more radiant complexion. Always try to use fresh ginger root. Please keep in mind that this juice is intended to supplement healthy meals in your anti-aging diet, not replace them. Anti-aging juices are a valuable addition to a well-rounded diet because they also help meet nutritional needs. As always, thank you for watching. Good day and good health.